Just a quick updates for local zones Algorand with my customer set. Global targets, guys, so I will not repeat again and again and again. So I will wait. My targets, 3 alerts now added on Algo USDT spot chart. So this is a 16.13 and this around 18 cents. This zone. This is again. If we will drop it down, this will be my potential entry for the futures trades. Of course, now the buy line for Algo is around 6 cents 54. Is it possible to drop and touch this zone? Yes, of course. Yes, it will be a new historical all-time low. So, guys, more than real to see. I hope in March we saw the real historical bottom for the Algorand, and we will not come back again. If we take a look on a weekly time frame, like you can see, guys, this is another example how the tokens can consolidate long-term period under fundamental value line. This one for the Algo, it was like 9 cents 81, and after that we get a reaction. So I can say some extra bullish news now about Algo. So just the compete Algorand price about to rally. Can Algo reach 14 cents in April? More than real. 14 cents is going to be just a little bit over than a buy line on the weekly time frame or retest below. Or it's April 10 futurist, it's 26 in June. Any partnership which replan it to run in summer. Usually already will be priced at in price. So, on the chart, I mean. That's why if before the June or June, we will see the uptrend move on Algo, we can see that even 26 cents 11, this one, it's a take profit line on the weekly. And yes, after that, we can go into deep correction June and August. Once again, to the buy line. Now, if we go back to the daily time frame, guys, we can use the FIB, just the basic. So here, once again, the buy line on the daily now 6.1054, take profit line 12.98. So this is it. We can close the take profit indicator. If we use just the basic FIB, guys, so impulse, correction, impulse. So this is it. This is it. Impulse, correction. 0.5 level by FIB, hold it. What next? Under, we got the blocks. Here, this one, it's a 61 level by FIB and the full fill. So 942, it's a test of fundamental value again. And this one, fulfill on the daily. So I hope, and I don't see any reason why we have to drop again to 8 cents 61 or 8 cents 96. But this can be like an entry for the futures trade. So this is it. Can we go down? Of course, guys, easily on any tweet from the Donald Trump or some escalation in Iran. Yes, we can go higher. We can go lower. The same time we can go in higher. But that's a plan. You have to build a plan what to do. A weekly time frame. This is a gap. I don't like the weeks like this one, right? But it doesn't mean it's some crazy seller pressure. No, like you can see now this week we hold the line strong with a body candle. That's why if we not hold the line this week will looks like the previous one, and we go down to the fulfill like 9 cents. So just keep in mind. So this zone is for the futures trade. This block for the futures trade. This block for the futures trade. Stop loss under the low of March zone 26. The targets, of course, you can after the even with the second leverage after the 150% or 100%, just close some position, right? Take profit, stop loss to the break even, and right to the moon. That's why locally, guys, now it's kind of risky to open trade. I don't like this type of stories when we leave the actual lows, especially on Tuesday. So now I don't know where to add a stop loss. This one, tiny one, like 8% with second leverage. Maybe makes sense to try. So if you're ready to lose 8% with second leverage, you can open trade even now. And right even, guys, to the yearly open of Sun 25, even to, first of all, to take profit line on the weekly. After that, to 33 cents. So it's more than real, guys. So I hope in March it was the real bottom for the Algorand. ADZ direction, market smooth. Locally, guys, now for the Algo is neutral zone on ADZ. So I can say some extra bullish. Now it's April 21. So one more this week and the next one. I think anyway, till middle of May, yes, we can see one more impulse up on alts, even to the 20 cents, right, to form the breakout structure. So ADZ now neutral. And direction just neutral, also no signals. Market smooth, I don't like it because it was a A3 and now it's like trill zone. So nothing bullish, nothing bearish. And the money power, guys, now no money inflow. Here was the last money in 1, 2 days. Money in at 7 cents and 8 cents, 7.94, 8 cents 08. Money in, pump, money out. So congrats everybody who take the profit here. And now it's nothing. So let's add alerts to the money inflow on a daily. I wish to see some new fresh liquidity into Algorand. A 12 time frame is here was like money inflow bounce. Honestly, now S&P 500 at extreme new all-time highs, right? BTC at 76K. So it would be good to see for the Algorand, just to be honest, something like this one and hold the line. Relation is here. This is it. If we talk about a futures trade, if you feel okay to accumulate for a spot now at 10 cents, you can buy now. We drop to the 6 cents, you buy it again, your average entry will be like 8. 50% much better than mine. So this is a money power. And trade on the 12 time frame, sell, daily sell. So let's add alerts to take profit from the sale. This was a buy, recommendation close position, take profit, sell. So for me, the signal take profit from this sell signal, what we saw in April 7, will be like confirmation of uptrend move continuation. So this is it. Weekly time frame, still no signals to sell or something. The main one signal, take profit, was here. This is a buy, bounce. Technically, of course, yes, we broke the downtrend structure. This one. This was a break of structure on a daily impulse. We broke the structure with a strong impulse, with the money inflow, with the volume. Now we're going down to correction. That's why the mitigation could be like 976, 80, 90. For me, these two levels, it's going to be like entry for us futures. Much better, of course, if we drop to this area, but I don't think so. Wrap this in a comment what you think about Algorand. If you'd like to trade as my customer yourself or show it in this video, just write in the DM. Don't forget, Joe Matecum Show. See you next time, guys.